Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to use gender effect on CapCut. First of all, you have to install the Face app. Then go to the Face app. Select any one photo of your gallery. Now, from the options, select gender. Select any male or female option as you need. I am selecting the male option. Now, click on the Apply option. Now, click on the Save option. It's done. Let's go to the CapCut app. From the search bar, search for gender effect. Select any one video. I am selecting the third one. Select Use Template option. Now select the edited photo first and then the previous one. Now click on the Preview option. See, it's done. Now simply export your video. Click on the Export option. See, it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.